You're right.
You're right.
Hi.
Hey guys, how are you? Sorry guys, it's just a habit because since I've moved here, it's so difficult. Like the moment you see someone, you're just like, "How are you?
Hey.
You're right."
You're right means how are you? Or like just casually saying, hey, you okay?
Yeah.
Like, don't give me answer. No, I've been feeling really sick for past 3-4 weeks. You know,
No
like
one
no.
wants to know anything.
Welcome to We're Just Saying.
We're just saying that small talk abroad, or specifically in the UK, is wild.
A big thing.
Yeah, you need a crash course in it before you come here. I feel because it's so much a part of your daily thing, right?
Yeah,
Like,
if you really don't know how to start that small talk or that conversation, it's like you'll actually not feel like you're involved in things. Consider you're sitting in a group of 4 or 5 people, and then you don't know, like, if you need to actually say the terms, you will feel like you're not into it, like you're
yeah,
not involved in everything. This I've realized over the period of time. I'm like, now I know how to start that small talk
yeah,
and how important it is,
yeah.
and to be confident.
And the thing is, if you don't respond with the right response, it throws them, like it catches them so off guard. Like if
Does.
they're like, "You're right," and if you're looking concerned, like, "Oh, am I actually like
Okay.
alright?" Like, and you look so tensed, and they'll also be like, "Oh."
Yeah, they.
So the
Okay.
real response to "you all right" is actually "you all right," which
Yeah.
took me a while to wrap my head around.
Actually, yeah, because in India, when we say you're right, so like, are you alright? Like, we're
Yeah.
concerned about you.
Yeah.
Then we're asking if
Yeah.
you're okay, if you're sick,
Yeah.
if your mood is off, if you've
Yeah.
got a headache.
Yeah. Just say "you all right" for 5 times. I'll respond in 5 ways that it's acceptable to respond.
Ah, nice.
Let's
You're
do it.
right.
You're right.
Oh, yeah, exactly. That's one.
Yeah.
Number
Okay.
one, you're right.
Yeah, good. You?
Good, thank you. Third, you're right.
And you just walk. Right? I
Yeah.
think that's the only 3 I know.
Yeah, no.
Do you know any others?
There's one more. I mean, it's the same thing, but
Yeah.
just that I just say, not too bad. And you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Not too bad is a very big
It's very
one.
common.
Because it sounds like not too bad means you're not that bad, but it just actually means I'm okay.
Yeah, and
Sometimes people are extremely happy and they're saying not too bad. I'm like, what is
Yeah, but
wrong
like,
with
what
you?
do
Why
you
can't
mean?
just that's an interesting one. You know, this one time, because I've grown up watching so many US TV shows, right?
Mm-hmm.
I asked someone what's up, and then I just felt so out of place because I said what's up instead of
Oh
you're
my
right or how are you.
god.
Crunch shot.
Yeah. Mm. Slurp.
Ew, that's gonna sound so bad. The ice cube also. It's so funny. The habit to say thank you and sorry for
Oh my
everything.
god, I feel like sorry is a part of my daily routine, and sorry is my life, and sorry and thank you is everything.
Even if I don't do something wrong,
Sorry.
I will say sorry. Like if I'm in someone's way, I'll say sorry. If someone else has done a mistake, I'll say sorry. It's just become
Exactly. This time I went India. Okay, I was in this mall, and I held the door for somebody. Okay, and because here it's a big thing, you can hold the door, and they'll be like, "Oh no,
very
you," and
courteous.
this, yeah, courtesy and everything. What did you say?
Courteous.
Courteous. I just said courtesy. I don't even know that word, guys. I was expecting him to probably deep down, I wanted him to tell me, no, it's fine, you go. He didn't say. He went. 5 other people went, and people are just going. And my brother just went out as well, and he's looking at me. He's like,
You got
"When will you?"
hired as
I
the
know,
doorman.
I know, and I'm like, when will they, like, somebody will come and they'll be like, it's
Hold the
fine,
door
you
for
go, you go.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, I just forgot. I'm in India. Like, you come from local train, you push each other and you
Yeah.
go. Kaisa, you are holding door. You're saying sorry to everyone. That's not
Dude.
gonna work out.
When I was in India this time for a vacation, my friend fucked up. So
What?
like, you know, he fucked up with some planning or something and it drove someone crazy. And I apologized to that person on behalf of my friend. Like, sorry, you know, I didn't. I wish.
you do that?
Because you know how
Oh
we
yeah,
are over
yeah.
here.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
And I was like, sorry, like, you know, on behalf of him. Like, and that person who I apologized to started, like, got really offended. They're like, तू क्या एकदम मतलब sorry वॉरी बोल रही है full taunt क्या मारे, why are you taunting, you know, like you are like above me or something. I'm like, no, I'm genuinely like apologetic that someone else fucked up, and yeah.
Yeah, these are very teeny tiny things which matter a lot. And India pushing each other and doing all this, it's like our thing.
Yeah.
I mean, I love that as well. Like,
Yeah,
chal.
it's a vibe.
It's a vibe, man.
Like, see, the
Yeah.
point, to the point, you know, like
Zyada
things
bakchodi
are.
nahi karna.
I was entering a mall, and like just, you know, entrance is a very big thing here. Like entering anywhere, you say hi, hello, or whatever, right? And you know, in the mall, there is that security person, lady,
Yeah.
who's checking you. So I said like, hello, how are you? And I smiled at her, and she was like,
Bro, she would be
She's-
doing a shift from morning till evening. She's like all fucked up. Why are you saying how are you? She'd be like, बहुत खराब है.
she was like, ये लड़की के intentions क्या है? Like, what are the intentions of
Why
this
you
girl? Because
asking?
why is she smiling at me? Is she carrying a bomb? What is wrong with her? You know,
पूरा मॉल उड़ाने आई है.
why? What is she hiding? Like, I remember I boarded a cab with my friend, like Uber or Ola or whatever, right? And he just went to the cab, set the OTP, and sat back. Like he's like 2241.
Oh my god.
And I was like, how can you not say
Oh,
hello?
yeah, that's
How are
India.
you? And then I realized, oh wait, yeah.
Here,
it's a
when
thing.
we board a cab, you'll go in, hi, how are you? How's your day been? It's very rude if you just go in a cab, don't say anything and sit.
Yeah.
And I also feel very awkward over the time.
yeah.
And you need to just talk to them.
Yeah, probably your Uber rating will drop if you.
Yeah.
There's two factors that actually promote talking about the weather here. A, that it's such a universal topic, right? Everyone's like experiencing the weather together. You don't need to be of a certain age or whatever. Everyone knows about weather. And B, the weather actually changes like throughout the day. So it's always not exciting, but it's always like something that's, you know, changing around.
Something
So-
to talk about always.
Yeah. At first, I got like really bored talking about the weather, but now it just comes up pretty naturally, I would say.
Yeah, because like I'm looking at you guys. A minute ago it will be raining, and then I'll look, it will be sunny. Again, rainy, sunny, and it's no filter. Like it's actually happening.
Yeah. I went to this really old tea shop in Scotland, and my friend, he doesn't talk a lot like that,
Okay.
you know, so he doesn't have that natural flow of small talk. So instead, he just said, one tea. Can I have one tea? No, please, nothing. So the lady literally said, a place would be nice.
Oh, I have done that. Oh no, I have done that.
Yeah.
So like I used to work in Popeyes when I was in my uni days, and oh yeah.
Fast food chicken shop.
Oh,
Yeah.
thanks for the context. I didn't want to do this on purpose,
Hmm.
but then there was this girl, I think just like us, a brown girl or somebody came, and I shouldn't have done that because it just came out like naturally. She's like, "Give me that chicken." Or
Yeah, it's
something.
like such an
Something.
order, right?
Yeah. It's like, and I looked at her. Can you please say please or
Yeah.
something like? There is a way to ask.
Yeah.
And then I realized probably she's new.
New.
She's a new student, and I shouldn't have said that because she's still learning. She will
Yeah,
still
I think
understand.
we've all been there,
Yeah.
right?
And then I was like, no, it's fine. Yeah.
I guess it's awkward, no, to like tell someone that
Yeah.
you need to say like,
No, actually,
next time can you say please or something. But even then it would like sound rude, I guess. What do you do? I don't know in that situation.
I love the sarcasm here as well. Like you won't
Oh
understand.
yeah, some words that sound so sweet,
It's
but they're
very,
actually,
very sarcastic.
if anyone tells you, calls you by saying, "You're right, love," or "You can do this, sweetie," or "darling," they're just trying to get shit done from you.
It's too sweet. It's dangerous.
Yeah, it's too dangerous.
Yeah. These things are
At
very
the beginning, it seems confusing because you're like, oh, that person's genuinely
Like,
so
oh,
sweet.
your love?
Being really condescending when they're saying something like that.
Yeah. Bro, she keeps using words that I don't know. Bro, I come from North and she keeps using, I don't know, genetic
Girl
diversity.
is born and
Context-
brought up in Mumbai. I don't know what she's
Whatever
talking
it
about.
is. It's just a little tips for whoever's coming.
I don't know about you. It's really gotten ingrained in me. And even when I go back home, I kind of want to hold on to that fact that I can use these words.
Because it's nice. It's
Genuinely nice.
it's actually
And
nice.
it makes people's days. And,
Mhm.
like, yeah, I wish everyone would talk like that sometimes. Yeah, that's one thing I really like about the British culture. The way you conduct your language.
Yeah. No, it's really
Languages
nice.
especially.
It's like very seamlessly it will flow. It's not like nobody's forcing for it. to start that conversation. It's only going to be like hardly 15 to 20 seconds conversation,
Yeah.
but it's very seamless.
It helps you to break the ice in any
Yeah.
network. I think that's very important.
Yeah. And we will see you guys later.
See you. Take care.
Take care.